Exercise 3.4, question number first. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. First part, we have x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Equation first and equation second by elimination method. Multiplying equation first by 2 and second by 1 and subtracting, we get multiplying first by 2 and second by 1 and subtracting, we get 2 into x, that is equal to 2x, plus 2 into y, that is 2y. 2 5s are 10 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 1 2s are 2x, 1 3s are 3y, 1 4s are 4, and subtracting, sign change, minus that will be positive, plus that will be negative, is equal to 2 is cancelled, 2x is cancelled, 3y plus 2y, that is equal to 5y, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 upon 5. Putting the value, we get y is equal to 6 upon 5. Putting the value of y is equal to 6 upon 5 in first, we get first equation is x plus y equal to 5. X plus 6 upon 5 is equal to 5. We are putting y is equal to 6 upon 5 in first equation is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5 minus 6 upon 5. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5 5s are 25 minus 6. X is equal to 25 minus 6 upon 5, and x is equal to 25 minus 6, that is 19 upon 5. X equal to 19 upon 5 and y is equal to 6 upon 5. Answer. X plus y equal to 5, equation first. 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation second. By elimination method, multiplying equation first by 2 and second by 1. First by 2, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 5, 10, and 1 into 2, 2x, 1 into 3, 3y, 1 into 4, that will be 4. And x is cancelled, subtracting, sign change, plus that will be minus, that will be positive, plus that will be negative. 3y plus 2y equal to 5y, 10 minus 4 equal to 6, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, and y is equal to 6 upon 5. Putting the value of y equal to 6 upon 5 in equation first, we get x plus 6 upon 5 equal to 5. Shifting 6 upon 5 in right, that will be negative 6 upon 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and 25 minus 6, that is equal to 19 upon 5. X equal to 19 upon 5. y equal to 6/5. Answer. Question number first, second part. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Equation first and equation second. Y elimination method. Multiplying equation first by 2 and second by 3 and subtracting, we get multiplying first by 2 and second by 3 and subtracting, we get subtracting, we get 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y equal to 10 2s are 20 and 3 multiplied by 2 3 2s are 6x minus 3 2s are 6 y is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus plus minus and 6x is cancelled. 8y plus 6y, that is 14y equal to 20 minus 6, that is 14. This implies y is equal to 14/14 and y is equal to 1. Putting the value of y is equal to 1 in equation first, we get 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10. This implies 3x is equal to 4 1s are 4 and shifting right side, that is 10 minus 4. This implies 3x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. Answer. Equation first is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Second equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. By elimination method, multiplying equation first by 2 and second by 3, we get 6x plus 4 2s are 8y is equal to 10 2s are 20. 3 2s are 6x minus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 3 2s are 6. Sign change, plus that will be minus, negative that will be positive, positive that will be negative, plus minus cancel. 8y plus 6y plus plus that will be positive 14y and 20 minus 6 equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 divided by 14, that is 1. We get the value of y equal to 1 and we are putting y equal to 1 in equation first. 3x plus 4 into 1 equal to 10. This implies 3x plus 4 1s are 4 and we are shifting 4 in right side, that will be negative 4 and 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 3x equal to 6 means x equal to 6 divides 3. 3 2s are 6. We get the value of x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Answer. Question number first, Third part, 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. 3x minus 5y is equal to, shifting minus 4 in right side, that will be positive 4 and it's equation number first, and 2y shifting left side, 9x as it is, 2y will be minus 2y equal to 7, it's equation number second. By elimination method, multiplying equation first by 3 and subtracting first and second, we get multiplying first by 3 and subtracting first and second, we get 3 3s are 9x minus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 3 4s are 12. We are multiplying equation 1 only and second as it is, that is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7, and subtracting x is cancelled, x is cancelled, 9x minus 9x, that will be 0 and minus 2y will be positive, 7 that will be negative, 15y minus 2y, minus 15y plus 2y, that is minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. This implies we get the value of y is minus 5 divided by 13. Its value of y minus 13, y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Putting the value of y is equal to minus 5 upon 13 in first, we get 3x minus 5 into minus 5 upon 13 is equal to 4. That is first equation is here. This implies 3x is equal to 5 5s are 25, 4 that is positive, and in right side it will be negative 25 divided by 13, and 3x is equal to 13 4s are 52 minus 25 divided by 13. This implies x is equal to 27 divided by 13, and 3 divides 27, 3 9s are 27. This implies x is equal to minus 9 upon 13 positive, and y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Answer. Equation first, shifting 4 right side, that is equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, and second equation 2y shifting left side, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7, its second equation. By elimination method, multiplying equation first by 3, that will be 9x, and in equation second, 9x already, so 9x cancel, and 15x minus 15x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 13x. 15 minus 2 is 13, but minus 15 is greater, so minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Y is equal to minus 5 divided by 13, and we are putting the value of y is equal to minus 5 upon 13 in equation first. 3x minus 5 into value of y is minus 5 upon 13. 5 5s are 25 upon 13, and 25 upon 13 shifting right side, that will be negative 25 upon 13. 13 multiplied by 4, 13 4s are 52, minus 25 is equal to 27. 52 minus 25 equal to 27 divided by 13. Here 3x, it divides 27, 3 9s are 27, and x equal to 9 upon 13, y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Answer. Question number first, fourth part. Given x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1, and x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by 2, that is 3x plus 2 to jar 4y divided by 3 to jar 6 is equal to minus 1. This implies 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 6. It's equation first. And we multiply 3 by x and 3 by 3, that is 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. This implies 3x minus y is equal to 9. It's equation second. By elimination method, subtracting first and second, we get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Minus plus minus, 3x is cancelled. 4y plus y, that is equal to 5y. 9 plus 6 equal to 15 minus 15. This implies y is equal to minus 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Y is equal to minus 3. Putting the value of y equal to minus 3 in first, we get first equation, 3x plus 4 into value of y is minus 3 equal to minus 6. This implies 3x is equal to 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Shifting right side 12, 3x equal to positive 12 minus 6. This implies 3x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Answer. Given x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 multiplied by x, 3x plus 2 2s are 4y, and LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 is equal to minus 1. 6 multiplied by minus 1, that will be minus 6, and its equation number first. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, equation first. And 3 multiplied by x is 3x minus y as it is equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9. This implies 3x minus y equal to 9. It's equation number second. By elimination method, 3x is equal, but subtracting, we are subtracting equation first and second. 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. And we are subtracting 3x is 0 and 4x plus y is equal to 5y. 6 minus 9, minus 6 minus 9, that is minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 upon 5, that is minus 3. We get the value of y equal to minus 3. And we are putting y equal to minus 3 in equation first. We get 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 3 4s are 12. Minus 12 is equal to 6, and shifting 12 right side, that will be positive 12 minus 6, that is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to positive 6, and value of x equal to 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Value of x is 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Answer. Thank you so much.